I'll show you how you can get gradient tags and also custom server tags on your Discord server. Now you will have to go to the Discord boost page here. If you don't know how to get here, you can go to your server here and you can tap on your server and you want to go to server boost. Now on server boost, you want to go ahead and boost your server until level 2. So 7 more boosts here, right? So you can boost that until by pressing on this button to boost the server, and you will need about 7 server boosts like this. Now, once you have boosted the server, first off, let's cover the custom server tags. If you want to go to custom server tags, you can go ahead and go to server settings here, and then you can go to server tag here, and then you can customize the color, also the text, and also the image of your current server tag. And then that's it. You're done for the server tag. Now let's talk about the gradient color for the roles. The process is pretty similar. First off, you can go to your server boost. After that, you need to check if you have the available server boost, so it'll be 6. Now, once you have checked the available server boost, you can go ahead and turn on the gradient color or the enhanced role style feature, like I'm showing on the screen right now. Now, after that's done, you want to go ahead and go to server settings. Now, once you go on server settings, you want to pick on the role you want to give an enhanced color style to, so the gradient. So for this example, I'm gonna do admin. Now on admin, I'm just gonna press on that edit button or the pencil icon. Now on the pencil icon, you want to put gradient, right? So for gradient, it'll be that one. So you need to pick on that. Now, once you pick on that, you can pick on what kind of color you want. So for example, the gradient between pink and also lighter pink.